McAllen is growing fast, and new developments are popping up everywhere. But what if I told you there's a brand new luxury apartment community coming soon that could be the perfect place to call home? Hey everyone, it's Brier and today I'm giving you an exclusive look at Brier Village, a brand new apartment complex coming to McAllen at Benson Road and Nolana Avenue. This project is still under construction, but I'm going to show you what's coming and why this could be a great opportunity for renters. Stick around, and if you want more details about this development or other properties in McAllen, call or text me at 956-300-4343. McAllen's real estate market is booming. We're seeing rapid growth with single-family homes, multi-family developments, and commercial projects transforming the city. What was once open land is now becoming vibrant communities like this one behind me here. Brier Village is set to feature 64 modern apartment units designed with style and convenience in mind. While we're still in the early phases of construction, let's take a quick look inside to see what's in store. Even though we're still in the building stage, you can already see the vision coming together. Open concept layouts, modern kitchens, and plenty of natural light. Once completed, these apartments will offer a fresh and stylish space for renters looking for a prime location in McAllen. These units feature 3 beds and 2 baths with luxury finishes, including granite countertops and tile floors. They'll be equipped with washer, dryer, stove, fridge, and a microwave. These are some large bedrooms. This is the master suite. It's quite large and has a walk-in closet. You'll also have access to covered parking spaces. With all the growth happening in McAllen, now is the time to stay ahead of the market. If you're looking for a place to live, Brier Village could be a fantastic opportunity. Call or text me at 956-300-4343 for more information on this development or any other real estate opportunities in McAllen. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more McAllen real estate updates. Let me know in the comments, would you live here? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Like, comment, and subscribe for more McAllen real estate insights. This is Brier Village, your McAllen Realtor. We'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.